Hello my alien students, you are welcome back. So we are in part 4 of the story, isn't it? Not part 4 of the story, it's part 4 of this model, isn't it? Okay, so in this part what we'll do. Okay, I was seeing the drawing, okay, something really struck my eyes. Okay, it was this kind of air terminal. I don't know what he was drawing, or the guy who was drawing this drawing was thinking when he was drawing this. Okay, this looks really funny, isn't it? Seriously funny it looks. Okay, I'm going to show you. So in this drawing, in this let's say in this video, I teach you how we draw a diffuser. Okay, air terminal for air register, whatever. Okay, so yeah, so let's create one. Okay, we create something much beautifuler than this. Okay, we try our level best. Really, they look funny, isn't it? Okay, so this is called what, a return. Okay, and supply is this. Okay, really he's put makeup, red color, and okay, fine, doesn't matter. Okay, we don't want to make fuss here. Okay, so first what we'll do is we find the dimension of this. Okay, I believe somewhere he's mentioned the dimension. Where is it? Yeah, here it is, 600 by 600. Okay, RAD, return air diffuser, 600 by 600, 125 CFM. Okay, good. So what we will do is, I'll tell you one thing. What we will do is 600 by 600. Said, yeah, okay. I tell you what to do. Very easy. I make sure you're in layer 0. Then call your friend rectangle. Okay. So you have different methods. I think one of the most easiest method is click once and then press add. How much is it? 600 by comma 600. Okay. Okay. This is your what this guy is called, diffuser. Okay, then what you'll do, okay, you like to divide it by 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. Okay, yeah, 3 parts you like to define. Okay, so what you'll do is type offset. 600 divided by 3 is how much? 200. Okay, yeah, 200. So type 200. Okay, I think it became too small. Okay, what you would have done is, I'll tell you another story. Make it like this, offset 50. Okay, or how about 100? Yeah, offset 100. This looks better. This looks better than, isn't it? Okay, just want to double check. Perfect. 600 by 600. Okay, isn't it? Because he not know why does it look so big. Okay, any comments? Okay, good. 600 by 600. Okay, this is done. Okay, if you like to create copy paste, in the sense you like to create one of these arrow marks, you can do it. Otherwise, I tell you one story. Easy. Type polyline PL. Okay, from here keep little bit gap. We need extension. Okay, go to see its object snap extension. Okay, okay, if you are not able to do, I show you another trick. Okay, let's say we want how much? 50. Okay, oops, sorry, 0 comma. Okay, then you like to draw a small, okay, draw another line of, let's say, 100. Okay, then what you'll do, width 200. Okay, and let's say 200. The end width is 0. Length is 200. This looks better, no? Than this penguin. Okay, anyway, isn't it? Yeah, then what you'll do is you can do array, or what you can also do is, I think array looks good. Let's look at mirror. But mirror you're going to get it. Okay, mirror. Let's try mirror. Actually, I'm trying to do array. Okay, I'm just trying to do mirror. Let's see what's the story. Oh, sorry. Slowly, John. Slowly. Okay. Do you want to erase the source? No. Okay, then what we will do, okay, let's say rotate rotate has a copy. Yeah, rotate from the base point, from my favorite command, mid between 2 points. Okay, and let's say copy and say reference. Okay, this looks better than this stuff, isn't it? Just want to random check. I don't feel, maybe the color is giving me look at this table. 600, good. Okay, if you want to do the color work, you can do the color work. Okay, it's up to you. I leave it to you. You like to do makeup, put makeup. We said red, no? That's what they're doing. Okay, generally I do not like this, but what to do? Okay, remember this is called a supply. Okay, same story for return. Okay, just do copy. Okay, but in the return, what's the story is, okay, oh yeah, sorry, return, you would copy it. Okay, okay, mirror. Okay, mirror it. Sorry. Okay, mirror from where? Here to here. Do you want to erase the source? No. Can't we not rotate it? Rotate, select the objects. Generally select the objects and okay. Base point. Click reference. I did not copy it. Okay, sorry. Select the object. Copy. Rotate. We need the base point. Let's say from where do you want to rotate? Okay, then say copy, and then click reference. Sorry. Okay, what's the story? Okay, select the object, set rotate. Okay, from where do you want to rotate? Mid between 2 points. Good. Okay, do you want to, yeah, I need to copy them. Okay, and then tuck. Okay, so we created two. This is the supply air diffuser, or you say terminal, and then return air terminal. Okay, next question is, how would you make it? We make it a block. Okay, make it a block. It's called a good habit here. If you want, okay, this is optional. What is this? This is an dimension, isn't it? My quick properties is not on. 1 minute, quick properties. Okay, dimension. Right click, add selected. Generally I like to do this, so even anybody should understand what is it. This looks good, no? Even donkey will understand. Okay, right click, add selected. Isn't it? This looks good, even like this one, nobody knew what was the dimension. Okay, then what you want to do is we create a block. Okay, how do you create a block? Yeah, we are in layer 0, so yeah, all layer 0. Good. Okay, you have two methods. Let's say one method, click create or type create. What did we call this? Mechanical. MSC. What is this guy called? Supply, no? supply air terminal, air diffuser, air terminal. Click the basement, pick the point. Where do you like to do it? Middle, isn't it? Looks good. Just double. Convert to block, convert to block. Okay. Same story. Good for make air, sorry, return. I don't know why I'm putting all caps, but anyway, return air terminal. Okay, so I think it is clear. Okay, so we created, I think this looks much better than this stuff, isn't it? Done it enough, too much you're speaking. Okay, anyway, I think in the next class we will be placing these air terminals. How do we create one by one? I'll teach you first what, I teach you how to create these shoes, trousers, sorry. Okay, and then I teach you one by one how to create 90-degree elbow. Okay, and then how to create a reducer. There is a reducer, there should be a reducer. Okay, this shoe. Okay, do you just tell you once, okay, why do you think this is the most important thing? Okay, which is this center line. Very, very important. Most important thing is actually the center line. This will help you to draw. I tell you what, one minute, listen. Great, good practice this is. Okay, this one, which is this, sorry, this one, S, and just remember this, okay, S, sorry, this one, S, N, M text, okay, I believe even this would be in the same thing. Very good. Okay, and okay, listen, I tell you one thing, I'll just show you something. Oops. Okay, let's continue, sorry. Okay, something very beautiful I wanted to show you. Listen. Now we have this center line, okay, and which was this line? G annotate center line. Okay, remember G annotate center line, and then SN. Okay, 1 minute. We said G, no? Okay, I do not know which one them, but let's create all of them. Okay, and one more he said was SN center line. Okay, let's just do, just to be safe side. Okay, you know what mistake? I have to keep one of them. What a song. Right, okay. Invert selection. Where is invert selection? Yeah. Okay. You know why do they create this? I tell you. I think in the next class I tell you why. You know how helpful this center line is. Okay. Very, very, very important. Actually, because our design will be based on this. Okay. Based on this, I think we will be just creating this, considering this as a reference. Okay. See this, wow, beautiful. Actually everything depends on the center line. Okay, I think you already got the trailer. Okay, beautiful. So this is the story, the center line. Okay, anyway, in the next class I teach you how to do it. Okay, look at this. I don't know why it doesn't look, for my eyes it doesn't look good. Okay, if you have any comments about this air terminal, let me know in the comment section. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. We shall see each other in the next part soon. Okay, we have to complete this project in AutoCAD. I think that's it for me, and that's it for me today. For now, we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.